Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Knack for CRUD apps with role-based access, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Knack for CRUD apps with role-based access, start by logging into your Knack account. Navigate to the dashboard to create a new application. Click on the plus New App button. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your preferences. Once your app is set up, go to the Data section to define your database structure. Create the necessary objects for your CRUD app. For example, if you're building a task management app, create objects such as tasks and users. Within each object, define the fields you need, like task name, due date, and assigned user. After setting up your data structure, move to the Roles section in the app settings. Click on Add Role to create different user roles, such as admin, editor, and viewer. Assign specific permissions to each role according to the operations they should perform. For example, allow admin users to perform all CRUD operations on every object. Then, go back to the Data tab and select each object. Set the access rules for each object based on the roles you created. Define what fields can be viewed or edited by each role to ensure role-based access. Next, go to the Pages section to design the user interface for your app. Create and customize pages to display your objects effectively. Make sure to ensure that the visibility of elements aligns with the assigned roles. For instance, hide editing features from viewer roles while allowing editor roles to edit. Finally, preview your app to test the role-based access functionality. Make adjustments as needed to ensure everything functions properly. Once satisfied, save your changes and publish your app for your users to access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.